the big one today, Tesla. The start of the day on Tesla was not good. I play amateur moves. So anyways, Tesla had another PT raised by Goldman Sachs, and the plan was bullish bias versus the cloud. No go under 405. Level was not clean. So my plan was if it falls 405, I will hold the longs, and when it breaks that, I will cut it. And I followed the plan, and it paid us well later in the day. If you have been following me long enough, I have been a big bull on Tesla for a long time, because for me, it's always fundamentals and with the chart. The charts are always important to me. So on October 24th, I posted this. This is a monthly candle. It's a monthly breakout setup. To my eyes, this was a great setup. This was a monthly breakout setup. Big level here, 5.5 Fibonacci, 0.61 Fibonacci. And as an investor, you trade monthly candles, and your target is always all-time highs on this particular setup. And I said it will be epic. And this is today, guys. This is today. So these are the kind of things you need to learn as an investor, and you hold for your target long term. Even before that, on April 24th, I posted a long-term article that Tesla provides a great risk reward for investors from that level. It was trading at 160 at that time. It's already up almost 200% from there. This was a weekly chart, but if you go on the monthly chart, then we had a nice curl from here, and then we had this breakout. You see all these levels I had, and those broke out. As an investor, you should focus on that. But the point is to understand these setups. So this was a long-term view, which panned out. Tesla has been good to us since the elections. When there's a catalyst, when the stock is trending, you need to stay with the trend. Today was amazing. I was long right away, those 410 calls, but this is the amateur move. This amateur move gave up. So I cut it because I know it could fall below, but you see that where it bounced off the pre-market. You don't really have to add here. You can add it, but real long comes when it reclaims the 405. That becomes a trend move. And that's when I told everybody back bullish, stops at 405, breakout at 410. So that was my guidance. And then we started to push, and I told everybody to move the stops at 407, 408, and 412 was our new breakout. And then we started to break out. No panic. It's holding. You hold. Never breaking the clouds. You hold. Nice little flag, because this was an all-time high right here at 415 breakout. After we broke out 415, I gave the target of 420, 425. So you could roll into your 420 options or 425 options. No reason to cut. Take some profits off. If you take everything off, use some profits and buy the next lot of next options. At end of the day, it was a huge winner. I was guiding on this Tesla all day long. But something to note here is this. This is the 410 calls. You see I was long on the 410 calls. We dipped. We lost around 20 to 30%. It stopped out. But then the same 410 calls you can get back in at 750, and they went to 13, and they're probably higher right now. So don't be scared, or just don't trade amateur move. Wait for the trend move if you're day trading it. So 410s went from that $750, 17 bucks, more than 150%. And you could always roll into the next call. You could roll into 425s. You can roll into 420s. So that's how you do it, guys. On a big picture level, I think if Tesla holds this 415 tomorrow, it can keep pushing for a bit, because this is an all-time high breakout. It's not done yet, but we do need a breather. I mean, we have been running for a few days, so we'll watch tomorrow the pullback. There might be some profit taking soon enough, but as a long-term investor, you don't need to cut it. You need to hold it as long as the 1 hour trend holds. Even if Tesla falls back to 400, that's fine. That will be a buy point. So Tesla is definitely not done yet, and definitely a good trade, good day trade, good investment, good long-term investment, good swing trade, breaking out all-time highs. Nothing is too high. It can still run a lot before having a big pullback.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.